Here is your to-do list for today. Today would be your third day of working on things, so today would actually be the day that you would be Zooming with me. Um, so what you're going to do is you're going to go through your, your grammar video and do your grammar lesson, and then you're going to watch your math video and do your math lesson, and then you're going to just watch the mystery science video. You do not have to do anything with it. And then number 4 is you're going to watch the Scholastic News video. For the Scholastic News video, you're going to have to get out your Scholastic News that was in your red folder. It is the one that has the picture of the girl with the green apple. And then when you are finished, you're going to turn in those questions whenever you come back to school to me. Okay, so the back page is questions, and we go over those in the video. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, send me a dojo message, send me an email, whatever you need to do. Have fun today.